everyone, back with another video. Today I will be customizing my new outfit. I also got some right there, so let's get into Hi there. I'm starting to get woozy with it. Okay. Wait, no, I'm not gonna see hair. I need hair first because I can't just look like this crap. I think we should pick like. Wait, hold up. This is okay. Let's see. So that's not good. I need something like free. So I need something free. So I could probably use like this. This would be good. Like. Okay, true blue hair. I look good with that. Accessories. I mean, I could use like this hat. This would look good, right? Yeah, this would look good with the hair, so. Clothing. Wait, why does this actually fit me? Wait, hold up. Roblox jacket. Of course I need a Roblox jacket. I'm doing something really. Okay, there we go. Maybe I need like something on my shirt like that. Okay, that looks right. That actually okay, that looks good. That looks kind of good, so. Okay, let's see. Face. These all cost money. And I don't have Robux. So I already went to clothing. What the heck am I doing? Animation packs. Okay, maybe okay. So, change the hair. I changed the clothes. I just need to change the skin color, so hold up. Alright, you guys ready for the big reveal? Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Okay. You are not gonna see my avatar yet. So, 3, 2, wait, it's gonna, there, it's loading. Bro, why is it still? Oh wait, I need a reset, okay. Okay, 3, 2. Here's my new outfit, man. It looks good. Anyways, bye.